Friends, welcome back to this YouTube channel Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up with simple steps VLX Tunnel VPN for all countries, all networks, for a fast, stable, secure connection. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. And in case you get any problem, the comment section is going to be left open so that we can interact and share some ideas, tips. You can also tip me. That is it. Don't forget to like the video. Let us start up our tutorial. First and foremost, open Google Play Store, and in your Google Play Store, activate your search bar, then search VLX Tunnel or VLX Tunnel VPN. That is the application. Take note of that app icon. Take note of the app name. Take note of the developer's name. Download the application, and then after downloading, install, and then after installing, open. Now keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, demonstration, or informational purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers' terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Now you'll be requested to join the Telegram channel, which you're going to be joining to keep up with the important updates. Now, first step, we're going to first update the servers by coming right here, and then once you come where I'm pointing, on the top left corner, and then choose those menu dashes, and then look for update notes. The first option, this one. Update your notes, and then they will be seeing this message that no update available. Alright, you'll be seeing this message. Let us go on our next step. Our next step, we are going to, sorry for those adverts. We're going to our next step, but these adverts for sure. Now, on our next step, we're going to come where we see the auto select server, and then you're going to be seeing the three servers. There are three servers as you see them. So you guys, I recommend you to choose any of the first server of those. How do you know that this server is fast? It is in your country's location. Now, but for me, I do recommend my viewers to keep in the auto select server. Then going to the last option, an option of choosing which network. This one where I'm putting the recording stuff. And then if you're in Uganda, you can try those ones. But if in other countries, I'm going to come from here to there. And then you are going to look for your countries. You can type in your country's name and then connect to your country's network. Or you're going to try to use mine. If your country supports UDP, you're going to type in UDP. And then you'll be go ahead to choose the first one. And you choose it only if it is online. If it is offline, don't choose it. Then by doing that, you are going to come where you have this one, but I recommend you to first enable the DNS. and then come right here. I accept the connection request, and then that is it. It will connect successfully. Now what if it fails to connect? What are you going to be doing? If it fails to connect, you're going to go and clear the app data. You're going to try to put airplane mode on and then off. And then you can also try to clear the app, restart your device, and then you can try to follow up again with the procedures. That is it, and let us be meeting in the next tutorial. I sign out.